Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. I hope you are all having a wonderful and healthy day today. So, I am going to be unboxing the base box for Boxycharm for September. If you are new to Boxycharm, this box sells for $25 a month. It is a monthly subscription box, and you get 5 full-size products. And one of the products you get to choose, they give you an option of a few different products, and you choose from that. So the package that came in here looks like this. It says Boxycharm, glam vibes only, and it says stop sign, construction sign, and Charmer Street. I don't know if I think of glam when I think of construction, but it's not my company. So the first item I received in my box that was also my choice was this Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I can't say that word very right. Anywho, that is the packaging that it came in, and I actually used it in the shower last night. It smells like algae or like seaweed, but it has this green but has this green texture. It's pretty thick. I think it did a good job. I could feel the tingle immediately. I don't think it would be best for someone with super sensitive skin, but it really did help absorb my face oil after I got out of the bath. And according to this, it says clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Kate's signature super facial exfoliates dull, dry skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore perfected skin in just 2 minutes. By clearing away dead skin cells, this holy grail product preps skin to better absorb the rest of your beauty routine, making every product and ingredient that follows more efficient. I think this is a good product so far. I would not leave it on my face for more than 2 minutes because I do use retinoids in my skincare routine, but I thought this was good. And this sells for $85. So that is insane. First of all, I would never spend $85 on a face skincare product, but it pays for the value of the box thus far. And the next thing we got is this Hip Pot Zion eyeshadow palette. I can't remember if I mentioned I have variation 48. However, this is beautiful. I'm wearing it on my eyes. Yes, I couldn't resist. And so this is what the shades look like, and it comes with a nice big mirror. And it says, conjuring the magic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion, as in Zion National Park, I'm assuming. Cruelty-free, vegan-free, talc-free. I've never heard of that one. Paraben-free, folate-free, and mineral oil-free. And this manufactures for $30. I don't really understand when beauty products say that they're vegan-free because I'm not trying to eat my eyeshadows, but to each their own. So this is a beautiful palette. Anyone that's new to my channel, you should know that I do not like oranges. I think oranges and reds on eyes are super weird, and I don't like this new trend. For those of you who have watched my channel before, you've heard me complain about that. But let's go ahead and get some swatches going. So I have Virgin on my eyes. It's very shimmery gold. I also have Surreal on my eyes. This sort of, it looks more purpley in the pan, I think, and on my eyes. And I mix that with Sublime, this other purpley shade. Kind of, ooh, kind of mix those together. And let's see, let's go into narrows. I do think the inspiration for it being a national park is super amazing. I mean, I've seen pictures, I haven't been there. Let's go into mystery. I personally do not like matte shades. That's just me. And yeah, let's go on. We'll do some other swatches. So let's go into Canyon, given that oh, there's my shirt. And I do like nice big mirrors. Now let's go into, I like Wild River. I do like purple shades because I have green eyes. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't be wearing this to work, but now Whisper. Now let's go into Majesty. That color might work. Like a dark pink. And Vibration. So those are the colors, and I think this is a beautiful palette for sure. I've seen some other variation boxes and their palettes weren't as pretty as those. So next up, I have the Hake and Henry Lip Luxe lipstick. This is the box. Yes, it's the lipstick I have on my lips right now. I think this is so cute. So you kind of have to, I've been playing with it, but you hit this button and it pops out. How cute is that? I have never seen a product like this. Just the packaging alone makes this product. And what's really cool is it comes shimmery. So when I first saw it, I thought, I am not going to like this. I don't want a bunch of glitter on my lips. But it dissolves once you put it on your lips. And it feels amazing. And you just feel very like James Bond. Like, boom, boom. So gadgety. How cute is that? But this says, love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning ruby container. That is cool. Like, it really does dissolve. That's amazing because I just didn't want a bunch of glitter in my lipstick. This formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. And I can attest, this is super moisturizing. It feels like you're wearing a chapstick, but you get the color of a lipstick. I really, really love this product. So the next product, and yes, I am wearing it, is this Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara in black. And I like this because it is a natural bristle brush. I don't like silicone brushes. That's the before and after eye. So that's what it looks like inside. I always wipe the edges off, but let's put another coat on just for funsies. I think it's a pretty good mascara. I need to play around with it a little bit more. I really like to wipe the mascara off of the wand before I put it on because I like a very natural look. But it says, go the extra mile and give your lashes an enhanced lengthening and curling effect in just a few strokes. Lash Boss Stretch Lengthening Mascara offers an incredibly soft, smooth, flexible formula with an incredible silky feel. Exceptional, not incredible. I read that wrong. I just saw the E and took a stab. So I think this is an excellent product. I don't know if Boxycharm just is actually looking at the products that we said that we wanted in our beauty quizzes, or I just lucked out. But this is a product that I said I wanted a lot of. It's a useful product that I'll use every day. And then last thing that I haven't opened up is I got this $1 Billion Beauty Charcoal Beauty Sponge. And I don't really understand why I need charcoal infused. It's pretty much a beauty blender. Again, it says vegan. Like, am I gonna try to eat this? But I haven't tested it out yet. But it says this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for depositing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filtered. I don't really want a filtered look. I want to look like myself. But anywho, I was actually wanting one of these. I have a beauty blender. It's getting pretty old, and they are $20. So I'm glad they sent this. I hope it works as well as a beauty blender. But overall, I am loving my box this month. I like every single product in it. It's something that mascara, I was needing new mascara. I ran out of my exfoliator treatment that I got in a May Boxycharm box. Got the sponge. I got this wonderful lipstick. And I got that beautiful palette. So please give me a like below if you like this video's content, and give me a subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Have a great day.